Japanese secret. Apply this to wrinkled skin. Even at 70 years old, it's smooth like a 20s hello. Nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. The biggest mistake many people make is thinking that wrinkled skin is beyond improvement, but the truth is quite the opposite. Wrinkled skin at age 60 can still be improved easily with just a few familiar ingredients in the kitchen. Today, I'm sharing a super simple yet surprisingly effective recipe. It leaves your hands soft, wrinkle-free, and looking noticeably younger. All from natural ingredients, safe and easy to find. Watch the whole video because after just 1 to 2 applications, you will see an amazing change. Your 60-year-old skin can still be as smooth as your 30-year-old skin. The first ingredient is ginger. Ginger is very familiar in the kitchen, but few people know that it is also a great companion for the skin of the hands. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, wash thoroughly to remove dirt. Don't peel it. The ginger skin contains more antioxidants than the flesh. Ginger contains gingerol, a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent premature aging while stimulating blood circulation, making the skin on your hands rosy and brighter. Not only that, ginger also helps fade dark spots, balances skin pigmentation, helps hands become less dull, more even-toned, and look younger. After washing, cut the ginger into thin slices so that the nutrients can be easily extracted and maximize their effectiveness. Thanks to its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger also helps protect skin from irritation, reducing redness or cracking in dry weather. Another interesting point is that the warmth of ginger helps open pores, creating conditions for better absorption of nutrients. Helps hands not only become soft, but also healthy and naturally smooth. It is not difficult to understand why ginger is considered a golden ingredient in skincare, because in addition to its natural cleansing ability, it also helps detoxify, warm, and revitalize the skin. Once chopped, place the ginger in a clean, dry glass jar to prepare for the next pickling step. In the meantime, I'd love to know, where are you watching this video? At home, at work, or some faraway corner? If your family has any natural beauty secrets or herbal tips, please share them in the comments. I believe they will be useful to many people, and I would love to read each one of your shares. The next ingredient is aloe vera, often referred to as nature's green treasure, and really it's no coincidence that it's so popular. First, cut off the 2 thorny edges of the aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains more than 75 valuable biological compounds such as vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants. What's special is that 99% of aloe vera is water, but the remaining 1% contains more than 200 extremely valuable active ingredients, helping to nourish, moisturize, and restore the skin effectively. After removing the thorns, cut the aloe vera into small pieces. With its natural cooling properties, aloe vera can help soothe dry, chapped, sunburned, or red skin. The enzymes in aloe vera also promote cell regeneration, helping skin recover faster. Not only that, aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, thereby fading dark spots, balancing pigmentation, and keeping skin clean, healthy, and smooth. If used regularly, aloe vera also stimulates collagen production, helping to reduce wrinkles, making the skin plumper, smoother, and more youthful. History has it that Christopher Columbus called aloe vera a doctor in a pot, and Alexander the Great carried it with him to heal his soldiers' wounds. There are more than 500 species of aloe vera today, but the most popular and effective is aloe vera. the species we often use for skin and hair care. Once chopped, add all the aloe vera to the prepared ginger jar. Let the ingredients blend and ready for the next step. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. We're only halfway through, but the next part is the real secret that makes this recipe different. Can you guess which familiar ingredient appears next? Try commenting. I'll reveal the answer at the end of the video. When it comes to lemons, most of us only think of the juice or seasoning in meals, but few people know that lemon peels are actually an extremely effective skin beauty treasure. Wash the lemon peel thoroughly with baking soda because in this recipe, we will use the peel itself to maximize the nutrients. Lemon peel contains many natural acids which help gently remove dead skin cells, bringing natural softness to the skin of your hands. At the same time, the flavonoids in lemon peel also stimulate collagen production, maintain skin elasticity, and prevent premature wrinkles, helping hands stay youthful and healthy. Chop the lemon peel similar to the ginger and aloe vera so that the nutrients can easily penetrate during the soaking process. Lemon peel can also tighten pores, giving the skin a smooth, fresh feeling. It also helps deep clean, balance excess oil, prevent acne, especially effective for oily skin. The natural essential oils in the lemon peel also provide a relaxing spa-like feeling, while the natural AHA acids help improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and prevent sagging. Thanks to that, lemon peel becomes a powerful assistant for smooth, youthful, and healthy skin right at home. Once cut, add the lemon peel to the jar of ginger and aloe vera so that the three ingredients combine and complement each other, ready for an effective soaking step. The final ingredient that helps the ginger, aloe vera, lemon mixture blend perfectly is olive oil. Pour olive oil into the jar until it almost covers the ingredients so that everything is evenly coated and the nutrients can easily dissolve together. Olive oil is considered a foundational ingredient in beauty recipes because it is rich in vitamins A, D, E, K, and powerful antioxidants such as polyphenols and squalene. It's no coincidence that people call olive oil liquid gold because it not only softens the skin and stimulates collagen production, but also reduces wrinkles, restores dry skin, and brings smoothness and youthful vitality. The method is extremely simple. Just put all the prepared ingredients in the pot, steam, line a towel around the jar to keep it from moving and to retain heat when the water boils. When combined with lemon peel rich in vitamin C, this mixture will brighten skin, even out skin tone, and tighten pores. Aloe vera helps to moisturize, soothe, and nourish the skin from deep within, while ginger, thanks to the gingerol compound, stimulates blood circulation, provides antioxidants, and helps the skin of the hands become rosy, smooth, and more youthful. The heat will help the nutrients from the lemon, aloe vera, and ginger penetrate deeply into the olive oil, creating an energizing essential oil for the skin. After steaming, let it cool, filter out the residue, and keep only the pure essential oil. This is the essence containing all the nutrients from nature. Store this essential oil in a clean glass bottle for later use, both convenient and preserving its natural skincare value. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When using, just take a sufficient amount. Apply evenly on the skin of your hands and massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes to let the nutrients penetrate deeply. If you do this 1 to 2 times a week, your hands will gradually become younger, wrinkles will be visibly reduced, and your skin will be healthier and smoother than ever. Then rinse with warm water. From the first time, you will feel your skin soft, supple, and full of vitality. You see, the secret to maintaining health and beauty is not in expensive products, but in simple ingredients in your kitchen. With just a little ginger, aloe vera, lemon, and olive oil, you have in your hands a natural beauty treasure for your skin and body. No matter what age you are, you can still shine and be radiant as long as you know how to love and take care of yourself every day. The important thing is to be persistent. Consider each step of care as a small joy for yourself, because you deserve to be radiant and full of life at every age. If you find these tips useful, don't forget to like to support, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new recipes, and share your feelings or beauty experiences in the comments section. I look forward to reading your stories and together spreading natural beauty secrets to more people.